specialist or am I a generalist? A specialist is one where I have full authority on that particular subject. I might be a tech architect in a certain technology stack. I might be a domain specialist in a certain vertical, or I might be an expert in project management in the IT services world. And I would pursue my educational career in bachelor's, master's, and PhD in these areas. And I become a specialist in this. And he or she, when they take up such a specialist role, they almost aspire to become the best in the world in these areas. Now, what about a generalist then? Do I need to be an expert in none and be a jack of all trades and master of none? I have a different view. You still need to be an expert in a certain area. If you take my example, I love consulting. I love advising. I'm a student of design thinking. And I can debate with somebody on that for hours as a student of that subject. But at the same time, I'm a generalist. I understand a bit of finance, HR, operations, systems, marketing. I'm not an expert there, but I understand all that. What's my career goal when somebody is an expert in a certain subject, but a generalist in multiple subjects? You take up more leadership roles. So if you aspire to be a leader and manage people and manage businesses, you need to be a generalist with at least a master in one small subject out of 10 subjects that you need to know to run an organization. But if you want to be an expert, to be called upon to speak on a particular subject, and expertise and specialization either in that technology or domain or vertical or practice is important. You might not lead organizations, but you lead the authority and have the voice of authority on that particular subject. So depending on what career you want to build, you choose whether you want to be a specialist or a generalist.